Welcome back po sa ating channel.
Kaya pala, buong detalye ni Maris Racal tungkol sa kanyang isyung kinasangkutan. Alamin. Sa wakas, nagsalita na ang controversial kapamilya actress na si Maris Racal sa kinasasangkutan nilang kontrobersya ng ka-love team na si Anthony Jennings. Ilang araw nang pinagpipiestahan ang isyu ng panloloko nila umano ni Anthony sa ex-girlfriend ng aktor na si Jam Villanueva. Inilantad ni Jam Villanueva ang mga screenshots ng palitan ng mga mensahe nina Maris at Anthony bilang patunay ng ginawang panloloko sa kanya ng mga ito, kabilang narito ang umano'y paglalandian ng dalawa sa likod ng mga kamera. Kaliwat kanang batikos ang inabot ng dalawang kapamilya stars at halos lahat ay nagsasabing pareho silang manloloko at cheaters. Nitong nagdaang araw, binasag na ni Maris ang kanyang katahimikan sa isyu sa pamamagitan ng isang video interview mula sa ABS-CBN at dito nga inamin ng aktres na nagkamali siya. Narito ang ilang bahagi ng revelasyon ni Maris. Today, I will be speaking from my heart, lahat ng sasabihin ko ngayon ay galing sa puso ko. Nagkamali ako, and I only say sorry for everything that I have done. It started last June of 2024, I was in a very dark place. I'm lonely and I was getting attention from Anthony. The kind of attention that I needed. When I sensed that there was a brewing attention between Anthony and I, nadala ako sa emotions ko. And I knew that was wrong. I came clean right away. I told my ex everything and I admitted things to him and then we broke up. It wasn't easy. It was very hard for me to announce the breakup. I was so emotional during that interview because I was holding back the truth. Yun yung totoo. I wasn't able to really simmer down, I wasn't able to reflect on what had happened. I was working every day, ang dami naming trabaho. Bago magsimula yung mga trabaho namin, I told Anthony that I broke up with my ex and he also said the same thing. Mind you, I was in a very lonely place. I was so lonely and I was so vulnerable at that time, like everybody nakaka-break lang. I was working every day at sa lahat ng trabaho na yun kasama ko si Anthony. Aaminin ko na sa araw-araw na pagtatrabaho namin nahulog din yung loob ko. He would be very sweet to me, he would be such a gentleman to me. He would say things to me. He would tease me on the set, in front of other people. He would tell other people that are close to me that he was single, so I would act a certain way around him on the set because in the eyes of the people there we were both single, ang paliwanag ni Maris. Ayon pa kay Maris, grabe ang natanggap niyang pambabatikos at pambabastos mula sa mga bashers at haters dahil sa naging revelasyon ni Jam Villanueva. Sabi pa niya sa isang part ng interview, I don't know where to go. Whenever I go out, whenever I walk, I feel like a woman naked. Hindi ko alam ano gagawin ko. I'm so embarrassed.